The history of McLaren is marked by achievements that have redefined motorsport. Since its founding, the brand has stood out for its innovation and relentless desire to push boundaries. The W1 represents more than just a new addition to the supercar lineup. It is a continuation of the philosophy every model McLaren develops is the result of an endless pursuit of performance and cutting-edge technology, always aligned with the fundamental principles: epic power, performance in any situation, a pure connection with the car, and authentic drama. For a supercar, power is everything. The heart of the W1 is the brand new MHP8 engine, a V8 engine developed from scratch to deliver a truly epic driving experience. With direct and multi-point injection, the MHP8 is designed to extract maximum power from every drop of fuel, providing an instant and efficient response at any RPM. When it comes to numbers, the W1 does not disappoint. It generates an impressive 1,275 GP, making it the fastest McLaren street car of all time. Combined with a lighter electric module and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, gear shifts are fast and precise, allowing the driver to feel every acceleration as a powerful thrust. These features are not just for show. They work in harmony to create a sense of control and agility that you need to experience to believe. The W1 was designed for those who seek the adrenaline and excitement that only a supercar can offer. But the W1 is not just a speed machine, it is equally efficient and comfortable on long journeys. McLaren has always excelled at creating vehicles that not only dominate on tracks, but also provide comfort and ease of driving on the road. The W1 takes this idea to a new level. The ability to switch between an intense track experience and a leisurely ride is one of the defining traits of the W1. This supercar is the embodiment of versatility, allowing drivers to enjoy both the adrenaline of a race and the comfort of a relaxing drive. Every detail of the interior has been designed to maximize driver comfort and experience. The focus is on the driver, providing the best visibility in its class, along with a cabin that combines cutting-edge technology with high-quality materials, creating an environment that is both luxurious and functional. Aerodynamics is one of the keys to supercar performance. The McLaren W1 features an innovative aerodynamic system. With the new McLaren Aerocell and McLaren Active Longtail, this car stands out in terms of efficiency and control. The Active Longtail is not just a visual addition. It transforms the car's rear into a Formula One style diffuser, allowing aerodynamics to change at the touch of a button. In race mode, this system extends 300 mm backward, creating an impressive downforce of 1,000 kilograms. This level of downforce is crucial for the stability and safety of the car at high speeds, providing the confidence that supercar drivers crave. It is this fusion of design and engineering that makes the W1 a masterpiece of aerodynamics. The McLaren W1 exudes authentic drama, evoking emotions with every turn and acceleration. Its sculpted profile is the result of aerodynamic design, while the engine's roar is a testament to the power that lies under the hood. This combination not only grabs attention, but also provides a unique sensory experience behind the wheel. Every line, every angle of the W1 is designed to provoke a reaction. The interior is driver-focused, with ergonomics that make you feel completely connected to the vehicle. It is a poetic harmony between design and engineering, where every element contributes to the driving experience. The W1 is instantly recognizable as a McLaren. Its exterior design combines organic surfaces with visible aerodynamic devices, creating an aesthetic that is both elegant and aggressive. The side modules, inspired by Formula One, work in perfect harmony with the outer surfaces to optimize airflow. The new anhedral doors are not just an aesthetic feature, they integrate with the aerodynamic setup, enhancing airflow efficiency and the vehicle's functionality. Every detail was designed to maximize performance, resulting in a car that is as beautiful as it is fast. The McLaren W1 is more than a high-performance supercar. It is an example of how technology and comfort can coexist. Driving a McLaren W1 is a transformative experience. The connection between the car and the driver is unmatched, creating a feeling of total control and empowerment. This supercar is built for those who seek not just speed, but a driving experience that truly connects with their spirit. The precision steering wheel and responsive pedals are designed to offer immediate feedback, making every maneuver intuitive and engaging. The W1 is not just a machine, it becomes an extension of the driver, allowing you to focus solely on the experience of driving. In a world where technology advances by leaps and bounds, the McLaren W1 stands out as a symbol of innovation, performance, and design. It is not just a car. It represents the essence of what McLaren has always been and always will be, an icon of the automotive industry. We hope you have enjoyed this journey through the McLaren W1.